Just because you're driving to meet your friends for coffee doesn't mean to not wear a seatbelt. Just because you're driving to the grocery store doesn't mean to not wear a seatbelt. Just because your daughter's school is near doesn't mean to not wear a seatbelt.
Ako mislite da nije neophodno staviti sigurnosni pojas tokom vožnje na kratkim relacijama, pogrešili ste. Ne budite žrtva nekog drugog. Stavite sigurnosni pojas u svako vreme kako bi sačuvali sebe, vašu porodicu i ostale učesnike u saobraćaju.